On the edge of a salt marsh, on an old hedge bank, grows a single oak tree. This oak tree is about 30 years old. At the base of the tree, in a hollow, a wood mouse has brought back some banded snails and eaten them, hidden away from the talons of a tawny owl. The snails are found on the stems of the grass, and the wood mouse opens the shells and eats the soft contents. The whole of the tree is covered in mosses and lichens. Some of the mosses already have spores. The lichens, which are dog lichens, are home to woodlice and millipedes. The woodlice and millipedes are fed on by nuthatches, tree creepers and woodpeckers. Some of the branches have been attacked by parasitic wasps, which have caused random growth. Each little shoot has a root, and the timber produced has an effect known as cat's paw. Up in the branches, birds feed, proclaim their territory, and roost at night. The flowers hang down and are wind pollinated. The pollen blows in the air and causes early hay fever in many people. After a short time, the flowers turn brown and drop off in the wind. The fresh leaves are soft and are food for many animals. To find out what's living in the tree, you can take an umbrella, place it upside down under a branch, find a stick and hit the branch. What you find in the umbrella, after the flying insects have gone, is what the blue tits and the wrens and the chiffchaffs and the willow warblers are feeding to their chicks. This caterpillar is a moth caterpillar known as a looper. The moth is a geometrid moth, and it relies on camouflage to avoid capture. There's another looper, relying on camouflage, but it's not always successful. Spiders rely on camouflage and they hunt on the branches. Other spiders just look like stones. Shield bugs rely on stealth and camouflage, and maybugs just happen to have landed on the tree when they were flying at night. Soon, tannins fill the leaves and they become indigestible. So a new attack comes from aphids or greenfly. They insert their proboscis into the sap and they suck out the juices. They then deposit honeydew, a sugary substance, which lands on the leaves. This is then collected by honeybees. Parasitic wasps will lay their eggs inside the leaf, and the leaf responds by forming a blister or a gall The tree fights back against this attack and produces new shoots, and this growth is called lammas growth. Very soon the little acorns start to form. In this tree the acorns are on stalks or peduncles. The pedunculate oak, English oak, Quercus robur.